All right, welcome back to KC Builds. We got a package. Woohoo! So I'm going to try and film and cut this open and try not to hurt myself. Come on, here we go. Come on. Here we go. All right. Here we go. Oh no. Oh no. I really got to get a better way to film this. Maybe some meta glasses. Let's just dig in there, see if we can get our stuff. Oh my goodness. Oh, I see a bag. Always laugh, never cease to laugh. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh. Ooh, here we go. Oh, this is fun. Okay. So, what do we got here? We've got a locket made out of titanium. Oh, and boy is it light. Oh, very cool. That's the very cool. A little bit pointy on the end, but no, that should be fine. And what else we got? A ring. Oh, yeah, there we go. All right. So, let's take a look here. Oh, I apologize, guys. You'd think I'd be doing a better job. I'd have better equipment. I'm just using my phone. So there's that. Oh, wow. That is awesome. Super, super light. Oh, and very intricate. A little bit of rough finish, but that could be buffed up. So there's the ring. Oh, very cool. So I'm going to be back and kind of describe how we got to the ring. I don't have the pieces here right now, but it's a bit of a process, and it's not actually too arduous. And then the locket, a little bit easier. It was basically 3D print that out of plastic, and then are you happy? All right, let's send that off and let's choose a material. And right now we got stainless and titanium, and I think this was under $20 shipped. Shipping's a little slow, but I'm not in a rush. So there we go. So let's see if we can take the locket out. Let's take the locket out. Let's do it. Oh, come on. Here we go. Packaged so well. And there it is. Yeah, so that could use some cleanup. I wonder if you tumbled it, what would happen? That'd be really interesting. If you had a metal tumbler, if you could polish that without, not a very involved process or very, not very labor intensive. All right, there we go. We will be back.